Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about minimal bujo spread for the month of April. Let's get into it. Okay, so the things that you require for this spread is just a black pen and your bullet journal, and also colored pen, maybe. Okay, so to begin with, I've tried to keep the spread completely basic, very simple to make, and it is less time consuming. It is for the ones who want to practice bullet journaling but don't have a lot of time to set a bullet journal. It is also for the ones who claim bullet journaling is for the creative heads, only creative people can do it. No, bullet journaling is for the ones who wish to stay organized. It is a practice that will help you stay organized and will definitely clear up your thoughts. The only reason why people tend to decorate their bullet journal or make it visually appealing is because it increases the chances of you using the bullet journal every day. It makes it more exciting. Just a reminder, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you are visiting my channel for the first time, please go and subscribe to my channel. Here goes the basic spread for the first page of April month. The next is the monthly log. I've kept it very simple again, and this page is just to jot down the plans that I have for the month of April, the things that I have to do, the videos that I have to make, etc. etc. The next page is for the weekly log. So this is the spread. I have made two columns. The left side is for the gratitude. I've started practicing gratitude for every day, and it really helps. You just have to note down what are you thankful for in the day. So yeah, the column is for the same. The right side is for the tasks in the day that I've planned for myself, and the middle part is obviously for the date and the day. Same thing is done for the other weeks also. The next is the habit tracker. So I've tried making the habit tracker horizontally. So yes, I have mentioned the habits on the left side, and on the upper side I've written out the dates. So it is very simple, just marking the habit as and when you complete it. The next one is the mood tracker. So I've made it horizontally as well. So the upper side I've written the dates of the month and on the left side goes the moods. So say you are happy for day 1, you are anxious for day 2, you are happy for day 3 and day 4, and likewise. So you connect the dots and you have to make a graph. That's how it works. You can even write the reasons for you being happy, sad, or whatever on the lines that are made. The next is the sleep tracker. I have written down the hours on the left side, and you just have to record for what time did you sleep that day, like a graph. Next is the expense tracker, which is quite similar to the previous spreads. If you have not watched my previous spreads, you can go and check it. Click on the I button above. Next one is the weight tracker, tracking the weight for week 1, week 3 and the last day of the month, and the weight changes. The next is the brain dump. So whatever ideas that come to mind are dumped over here, and also few of the notes that I want to remember. And the last page is quite interesting. So it's a monthly review page, and since it's the start of the second quarter of the year, I found this very interesting questionnaire on the internet which I have tried to include in it. So the first thing is, what made you happy? Anything that made you happy can be listed over here. Then any lessons that you have learned. These questions will make your brain wonder, which is good. So few of them are quite interesting. The next question is the 3 important things at this time of the year. Another one is one thing that you are not scared of but others are scared of, so practically do it. And the last one is the plan for the next quarter, that is for the second quarter of the year. That's it for this simple spread. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll try it now. So yes, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video.